Laptop cooler fans reduce the device's operating temperature, which both limits heat exposure to the hardware and makes the device itself more comfortable to use. However, one problem with these cooling pads are they need an external power source to turn on the fan. And the great example of power source is the laptop itself. And the problem I normally face while using the cooling pad is that I forget to plug out the USB cable from the laptop. So I decided to end this issue, once and for all. Welcome to Creative Projects. In this video, I will be teaching you how you can use a power bank module, attach it to the cooling pad, to power the fans. This is a single cell power bank module that uses 18650 battery. They are very cheap and easily available. If you want the product, I will leave the link to this product in the description below. For the 18650 battery, I salvaged it from an old dead laptop's battery. So, it didn't cost me a penny. Now, let's start the video. First off, locate where you want to place the power bank module and modify your cooling pad accordingly. The power bank module has a charging indicator, so here I am drilling the cooling pad to expose the light emitting from the LED. Now it's time to connect the batteries to the power bank module. I am using a soldering iron to solder the wires to the battery. Be extra careful when you solder the wires to the Li-ion battery, as higher temperature degrades or can also damage the battery. So, don't heat up the battery too much. For this project, I am using two 18650 battery connected in parallel. It's better to use a spot welding machine to connect two batteries. Since I don't have one, and I am good with soldering iron, I am using it to solder the wire to the battery. Solder the positive wire of the battery to the positive end of the power bank, and negative wire to the negative end of the power bank. Now finish off by covering the power bank module. Here is the charging clip of my cordless cooling pad with power bank feature. I can use it to turn on the cooling pad by plugging in the USB cable. I can also use it to charge my cell phone. Or turn on the USB light. This is all for today's video. Thank you for watching the video and supporting me. Do like the video and share it to your friends who use cooling pads all the time like I do. And please subscribe to my channel by pressing the red subscribe button to support my work. Until next time.